Imagine stepping into Hamptons luxury where crisp whites meet serene blues, every room a masterpiece of coastal chic. What if your home could feel this effortlessly elegant? Discover the magic now. Stepping into this foyer feels like the gentlest coastal embrace. Sunlight spills through tall windows, dancing across smooth oak floors that glow warm underfoot. Crisp white walls whisper serenity, while soft blue touches stir a breezy calm. It's that instant sigh of homecoming, elegant yet easy, where every corner invites you to linger, heart light and unhurried. Sunlight bathes the living room in a golden coastal haze, wrapping you in pure tranquility. The white-paneled walls and oak floors feel alive with soft textures, air thick with relaxed luxury. Curl up by the fireplace. Time slows here. It's your sanctuary of quiet joy, where every breath tastes like seaside freedom, endlessly soothing. This family room wraps you in effortless coastal bliss, sunlight flooding every nook with fresh energy. Oak underfoot grounds the airy space, white walls reflecting a playful lightness. Laughter lingers in the cushions, warmth radiates subtly. It's where days melt into cozy memories, hearts full, surrounded by that perfect Hamptons hush, inviting, alive, forever welcoming. Sunlight pours into the dining room, turning it into a canvas of refined seaside magic. Oak floors gleam softly. White walls hold the light like a secret promise. Gather here. Conversations flow like waves. The air hums with anticipation, every detail cradling comfort and grace. It's intimate elegance that feeds the soul, lingering long after the meal. The kitchen glows under natural light, feeling like a sun-kissed haven of coastal ease. Oak floors invite barefoot mornings, crisp cabinets whispering fresh possibility. Island chats spark joy, textures soft and alive. Breathe in that bright, timeless rhythm. It's where meals become rituals, hearts connect, and luxury feels utterly at home. Tucked in the breakfast nook, sunlight weaves a spell of pure morning delight. Oak floors warm your toes, bay windows framing endless sky. Cushions hug you close as coffee steams. It's that stolen pause of bliss, intimate, breezy, where worries fade and simple joys bloom, wrapping your spirit in gentle coastal rhythm. Sunlight filters into the pantry, casting a crisp, organized glow that feels secretly indulgent. Oak floors stretch seamlessly, white shelves brimming with quiet promise. Run your fingers over cool marble. It's functional poetry. Here, prep turns playful. Every jar a story, efficient yet soulful, fueling days with that understated Hamptons charm. Sunlight floods the master bedroom, cradling you in dreamy coastal peace. Oak floors sigh softly underfoot, white walls breathing serenity. Slip into bed, linens hug like old friends. It's your private retreat, timeless, tender, where worries dissolve in airy light, restoring the heart with every gentle ray. Guest bedroom sunlight dances lightly, inviting restful coastal whispers. Oak flows warm, white textures soothe the eye. Sink into the bed, it's instant ease. Friends feel cherished here, enveloped in calm luxury. Breezes seem to stir, hearts lighten, pure, polished haven promising sweet dreams and easy mornings. Office sunlight sharpens focus, yet softens the soul. Oak floors anchoring steady calm. White walls frame thoughts in breezy clarity, shelves holding inspirations close. Settle in. Ideas bloom effortlessly. It's productive poetry, elegant, unpretentious, where coastal light fuels creativity, turning workdays into joyful flow. Sunroom's sunlight envelopes you completely, a breezy lounge of endless coastal reverie. Oak floors bask golden. White walls amplify the glow. Lounge deep. Fabrics yield like waves. It's pure escape, heavenly light, soft textures kissing skin, where time pauses, spirits lift, and Hamptons luxury feels eternally yours. This Hamptons-inspired haven proves timeless coastal chic transforms everyday spaces into soulful retreats. Let its breezy elegance inspire your own slice of refined seaside living, pure, polished, and eternally inviting.